How to fix Twitter auto refresh on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here storage and then click clean up. Now just clean some space here, clean anything you want, or you can just clean it from your gallery and then go to settings and apps and then click apps again and here type Twitter, click on it and then click storage and clear cache and click force stop. Now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to go to battery and disable power saving mode. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.